How to back up WhatsApp messages on Android. So hi guys, the first thing that we're going to do is to simply open our WhatsApp account here in our mobile device. So once you've opened your application, go to the upper right hand corner and click on the ellipses button. Now here we're going to click on settings afterwards and you will be routed to your settings section. Under settings, go to chats, and under chats, go to chat backup. Now here you can see that you can back up your chats manually by clicking on this green button right here that says backup. Another way is here through your Google Drive settings. So first you can back up to Google Drive and you can see that you have these options like never, only when I tap backup, daily, weekly, monthly. As for me, I have customized it to daily, just to be sure, of course. Next is that you need to have your Google account basically so that it will link to your backup. Next is the next option here is backup using cellular. So if you enable this one, actually you can download your backup using your mobile data. But if you just want to back up the messages when you turn on your Wi-Fi, you can disable backing up using cellular basically. Next, if you want to include videos, of course, then you can click and enable this button right here, and if not, you can actually just simply disable that one to also save space. So that's about it for today's video guys. Hope you enjoyed and thank you so much for watching.